school and play. We'll draw something new every day.
Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Create. Today, we're going to draw something super sweet and yummy, an ice cream cone. Are you ready to create your own delicious masterpiece? Let's get started. Did you know? The first ice cream cone happened because someone ran out of bowls. They rolled up a waffle and said, "Here, eat it like this." And it became a hit. Wow! Our ice cream looks so tasty already. Now, let's make it even sweeter by adding some bright and happy colors. Pick your favorite colors for the scoops. Maybe strawberry pink, mint green, or chocolate brown. You can even make rainbow ice cream if you want. Remember, it's okay if your ice cream looks a little different from mine. Every drawing is unique, and you can always try again if you want. Our ice cream is really coming to life now. Just a few more touches, and it'll look good enough to eat. Wow! You did an amazing job! Your ice cream looks absolutely delicious. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.